Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Prince Harry. Early life. Prince Harry was born into the British royal family as the younger son of Charles and Diana. Following his parents' tumultuous marriage, they separated in 1996, and their divorce was finalized in 1997. Harry's early life was marked by a desire for normalcy despite the intense media scrutiny surrounding his family. His mother, Princess Diana, sought to provide him and his brother, Prince William, with as ordinary an upbringing as possible, often taking them to amusement parks and engaging in charitable activities. Harry attended Mrs. Minner's nursery school and later moved to Wetherby School. He had a challenging transition to school life, particularly after his parents' separation, but he developed a reputation for being cheerful and adventurous. Princess Diana's death. On August 31, 1997, tragedy struck when Princess Diana died in a car crash in Paris. Harry was just 12 years old at the time. The event profoundly affected him, leading to struggles with grief and emotional turmoil. He attended his mother's funeral, walking behind her coffin alongside his brother and father, an experience that left a lasting impact on him. In the years following her death, Harry faced significant media attention and scrutiny. He admitted to having nightmares about the incident and struggled with his emotions, often resorting to avoidance as a coping mechanism. With the encouragement of his brother, he eventually sought professional help to address his mental health issues. Military career. In 2005, Harry enrolled in the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst. He graduated in 2006 and was commissioned as a second lieutenant in the Household Cavalry. His military career was notable for his deployments. He served 2 tours in Afghanistan, first in 2008 and again in 2012. During his second tour, he became an Apache helicopter pilot and participated in combat missions. Harry's military service allowed him to establish his own identity separate from his royal lineage. Personal life. Harry's romantic relationship with American actress Meghan Markle began in 2016. They met at the Invictus Games in Toronto, and their relationship quickly became public. The couple faced intense media scrutiny and harassment, prompting them to request privacy. On November 27, 2017, they announced their engagement, and they were married on May 19, 2018, in a ceremony at St. George's Chapel at Windsor Castle. The wedding was watched by millions worldwide and broke several royal traditions. Harry and Meghan welcomed their first child, Archie, in May 2019, followed by their daughter, Lilibet, in June 2021. They have opted to raise their children away from the public eye, emphasizing the importance of privacy. Stepping back from royal duties. On January 8, 2020, Harry and Meghan announced their decision to step back from their senior roles in the royal family. They sought to become financially independent while continuing to support charitable causes. This decision led to a significant shift in their lives, as they moved to North America, initially residing in Canada before settling in California. In February 2021, Buckingham Palace confirmed that Harry and Meghan would not be returning as working royals. This statement marked a definitive break from their royal duties, although they retain their titles. Recent developments. In January 2023, Harry published his memoir, Spare, which details his life experiences, including his relationships with family members and his struggles with mental health. The book offers insights into his life as a royal, his military service, and his experiences with grief and trauma. Harry has also been involved in several legal battles against British tabloids, accusing them of privacy violations, including phone tapping and other intrusive practices. In January 2025, he settled a lawsuit with Rupert Murdoch's News Group newspapers, which admitted to phone hacking and surveillance. Despite stepping back from royal duties, Prince Harry remains fifth in line to the British throne and continues to advocate for mental health awareness and charitable causes through various initiatives, including the Invictus Games, which he founded to support wounded veterans.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.